Hey guys, today I want to show how to create um, a, a for loop in Python. So first step is to open the Anaconda Navigator by search in the computer for this application, and when it's open, need to open this Jupyter notebook by click to the launch, and in the browser when open need to create a new notebook in Python 3, and this notebook is here. So for loop is used for iterating over a sequence. So for example, if you have a list with animal, for example, the cat, um, dog, and for example, the horse. So this is an example. Yeah, and if you want to print each animals in an animal list, you need to write for x in animals animal. So this will be animals. Yeah, and print all elements in the list. Yeah, so this is this is um, this is an error because I changed this. Yeah, so this this is um, this is the element in the list. So uh, the for loop, to create for loop, need to use these four keywords, and next here is a new variable with which is iterating over a sequence in the animals list, and here need and here um, in the loop we'll print this element. For example, to looping in a string. So even strings are iterable objects. They contain a sequence of character. For example, if you has a string, um, for example, for x in this string, for example, the animals, and I want to print all character in the string. Need to write this, and here need this, and the output will be here. So here is here is here is the all character in the string. So thank you for watching and see you later.